Great day, guys. This is Mr. Meadows. I'm coming to you for percussion. Percussion, I'm sorry I neglected you. Let's do your first lesson, all right? So instead of us doing our exercises in the Tradition of Excellence book, what you and I will do will begin to work on your percussion solos in the rhythm worksheet that I gave you, okay? So open your rhythm worksheet, get your drum pad, get you some sticks, and let's begin, okay? So first things first, we need to make sure we have correct grip. Some of you guys will be playing like this. That's fine. Some of you guys will do overhand. That's fine. Left side, whichever one you're most comfortable with. Later on, if I speak to my advisors and they decide, it's better for us to have a specified way in middle school, then I'll let you know. Okay? So however you hold your sticks, it's fine. Okay? Now, we're going to turn to solo number one. Turn to solo number one. As you can see in solo number one, we have a combination of quarter notes and quarter rests. Okay? Now let's talk about these. How many beats does a quarter note get? 1. How many beats does a quarter rest get? 1. The only difference between the note and the rest, the note makes sound, the rest is silent, but it still gets the same amount of beats as its cousin. So if a half note gets 2 beats, then the half rest will get 2 beats, okay? All right. I want you to write this question down if it does not make sense to you and let me know in class so I can clear it up, okay? Note values. The notes make sound. The rest are quiet. Think about when you rest. You're not making no noise. You sleep. Okay? So taking a look at solo number one, I want you to count and play. Okay? Count and play. Here we go. I'm not going to give you my hands. I'm just going to put the music on the screen. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the end of solo number one. Okay? Pause the video here and practice. Practice till you get it right. All right, here we go. Solo number two. Solo number two is still a combination of quarter notes and quarter rests. Okay? So we're going to count and play. We're going to count and play. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning and rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Once again, pause the video, practice the solo slowly and then faster, and then we'll move on to solo number 3. All right, here we go. If you're still with me, you're moving well, okay? So with solo number 3, we start to incorporate half notes. Now the difference between the quarter note and the half note. The quarter note is colored in. The half note is hollow in the middle, okay? Both will have a stem, but the quarter note is closed in. It's colored in, okay? The half note is not. When the note is not colored in, the half note gets how many beats? 2. The half note gets 2 beats. So the corresponding rest should be the half rest. Okay, the first name will be the same, the last name will be note or rest. So the half note gets 2 beats, the half rest will also get 2 beats. The note makes sound, the rest makes silence. Okay, so 2 beats of sound, 2 beats of rest. Well, Mr. Meadows, how do we do 2 beats of sound on the percussion? Let me show you, okay? So instead of tapping twice, automatic lights, sorry. So instead of tapping twice, we're just gonna tap one time and hold it over. So instead of 1, 2, we're gonna do 1, 2, okay? Just tap one time and you hold it for 2 beats, okay? If that does not make sense, write your question down and bring it to class and I will help you, okay? All right, taking a look at solo number 3, we open up with half notes, okay? Half notes get 2 beats. This music here has 4 beats in each measure. So if you take a look at measure 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, which is why we have 2 half notes, because they equal 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Here we go. Let me play it for you slowly. 1, 2, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, rest. 4, rest. 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. Okay? Try it again. I want you to pause the video, practice slowly, and then speed it up. Okay? Join me for solo number 4. All right, here we go. We've got 3 more. Solo number 4, number 5, and number 6. So for solo number 4, we are going to incorporate the half rest that we talked about earlier, okay? Now, the difference between the half rest and the whole rest is how it looks, right? I've used this example before. Okay? To illustrate the difference between the half rest and the whole rest, I'm going to show you my hat, okay? It doesn't quite look like the rest, but that it'll do. So looking at page 9, solo number 4, at the top, you're going to see a half note and then a half rest in the measure, okay? So if I put this hat on my head, it covers half of my head. Okay, we still got this half down below. I want you to think of Frosty the Snowman, okay? He's got a hat on the whole time. It covers half his head. But when he takes his hat off, you can see the whole head, or the whole hat is off, okay? We'll talk more about that when you get in. All right, so the half rest gets 2 beats just like the half note. Let me show you how we're going to count it. So looking at solo number 4, we're going to count and play. Hope you guys are counting at home, okay? Count and play. Solo number 4, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That is how you play your half rest and your half notes in percussion. You just tap once or you rest for both. Okay? All right. Pause the video, practice solo number 4, play slowly, and then speed it up. See you at number 5. Okay, here we go. Solo number 5. We got 2 more. So for solo number 5, we're going to introduce the whole note. I'm pretty sure you guys are already aware, but let me show you how we count the whole note. The same way we do the half note, all right? The whole note, you tap one time, but you count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Same thing for the half rest, except you don't tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Take a look at solo number 5. It opens up with 2 whole notes, then 2 half notes, and then another whole note. Okay? Then we go into our regular quarter note, quarter rest, half note, half rest. So we're learning a lot more about our note values. Okay? Here we go. Let's go ahead and jump in. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Practice that slowly and then speed it up. Okay? All right, that concludes our lesson. We've discovered the quarter note, the quarter rest, the half note, the half rest, and the whole note, okay? So we've done solo 1 through solo 5 together. Your homework assignment is going to be to learn, prepare, and play the solo number 6, okay? Have that ready for when you come to class on Friday if the storm holds up. Okay, so just have it ready just in case. All right, great job today, guys. I will see you the next time. Take care.